We're going to show you the main and new functionality in V11, starting by informing that TaskTimer V11 Fusion becomes with two databases, one for archiving and one for general work. As part of the product, you can introduce in a database, you can do archiving, you can import, export, you can sync to Outlook 2010 to 2013. You can print the information, and you can create people in your team and the different integration users and their working hours and whatever is necessary. You have different type of users, TaskTimer users, as well as public users and private and selective. TaskTimer users is users of TaskTimer who they are in the same database and they can share information between themselves, or public users that they are not in the database and you can send information to them via email. And private is private to yourself. When in TaskTimer you can create and you have different views. You can create daily views, weekly views, monthly views. You have people overviews, and then you can also have 3 to 6 to 12 month calendars, and you can go forward and backwards to see what happened the 4th of December as an example, and I go directly to the 4th of December and put information there. As well as part of the time management principles that TaskTimer have, you can create projects. You can visualize existing projects that actually you work, or you work with a team of people, as well as you can see the project control, the cost of the project, and the cost of a particular area. You can have weekly views, and you can create your own scenarios with TaskTimer. Of course, you can create the top of the ranges goals. I can create a goal for my organization, and those goals can be attached to projects, and projects to task, and tasks to my private time. I can attach a task, and which I've decided to go and do at this point, and that is on my schedule. That means this task, when it's completed, it will indicate to the members of my team what I completed, what I have done, and how much left to complete this task. This task can be part of a bigger project, or can be just a small task on a small project. But that information will go to every participant of this product. When I complete the task, I can say done, and automatically that will discount. If there is a cost to it, it will discount the cost or add to the cost of the project. As I say, you can create a project, and then you can decide what the budget is going to be. How you can automate the project. This will assist you to, with the people you have here, what the costs are per person, what is the capabilities that they have, and if they have the time to do the job. This is all projects in which I can drill in and just go and look for it and get as much information as I need to. Basically, the product is divided in a top-down approach. Goals, and which can be senior managers, then is projects, the project management level or managers, then is team leaders, and then is the people who do the job. TaskTimer also count with email. You can have and receive your own emails as part of the product. Yeah. And with these emails, I can also decide what I'm going to do with the email. I can click in here as an example and decide to say, okay, this is going to be an appointment, an event, a standard. That means I will action my email. Yeah. If this is just an information, I will save it as an information because that's what I need to have at this point, and that will be saved. And in the area actualization, and then you have that information here. I can also decide to bring, as an example, some email from Outlook, drag it in with all the information of that particular email, and create a schedule, create a task, and inform other people on it. In this case, I receive some information from somebody. I can decide to say, okay, I'm going to action this, but I'm going to put some participants. And in this case, I'm going to choose a participant who is already on the TaskTimer database. And automatically that person will be notified that he's part of this information, and he can share the notes or whatever is required. All the notes, all the information, all the time, all the people that work in a project, in a task, or in a goal, they're all part of the same concept. Basically, everyone have the responsibility. That doesn't mean that everyone does the same job, but everyone works together, understanding what is expected of each other. I hope that this helped you. As I say, it's a lot more within the product, but this is just to show you the main features of TaskTimer V11. Thank you and have a good day.